It's 2025, the age of information. And if you don't know who you are, they'll be happy to tell you who you're not. Welcome to What the Native Americans Won't Tell You. This series was created to tell the real, unfiltered, fully documented history of the original people of the Americas. The swarthy, copper-colored nations who built pyramids, developed astronomy, practiced spiritual law, and governed this land before the word Native American was ever spoken. We're not here to play games. We're not here to stroke egos. We're not here to stroke egos. We're here to bring you receipts, documents, testimonies, eyewitness accounts, forgotten treaties, government files, diaries, maps, DNA studies, artifacts, all from real archives and verifiable sources. Nothing here is fabricated, and everything you'll hear can be cross-referenced in court, in a library, or in a tribal office, if they'll let you in. Why did we put this together? Because for too long we've been told that the story of America starts with Siberian migrants chasing mammoths, or that black people just arrived in chains. But that's a lie by omission. The truth is, our ancient civilizations were already here. We built, we ruled, we traded, we mapped the stars. And yet, we've been buried under labels like Negro, colored, freedman, or Moor. Anything but Aboriginal American. This isn't about hate. This is about truth. We welcome all truth seekers, but we won't tolerate disrespect or revisionism from those who benefit from our silence. Many modern Native American tribes have refused to acknowledge the swarthy nations that walked these lands long before colonial classification systems. In fact, when they reclassified our people, they stripped away our land, our tribal status, and our name. That's not just historical erasure. That's fraud. Each episode will take you deep into the archives and oral traditions that prove who we are. From the Egyptian tombs in Arizona to the 500-year war to remove us from our land, to the real meaning of names like Washita, Yamasee, Moor, Amarukan, Shem, and more, it's all here. This is no longer the time of belief. This is the time of knowledge. Self-knowledge should be mandatory, not optional. This is what the Native Americans won't tell you. Not because they forgot, but because they forgot. But because they knew, if you remembered, everything would change. Let's begin.